Today's Tuesday. It's March 31st, 2009. What we're currently looking at is the Euro USD. This is the 1 hour chart. This is a review for the SMS alert that I sent out today. And what we have is areas of resistance here at this point. What I'm looking for at this time, which is approximately 7 a.m. New York time. So this is well into at least a half hour into the New York Open. And what I'm looking for is the possible retracement after this move up from yesterday. Now, I need to find that Tech 1 candle pattern. There is one here on the 1 hour chart, but as I've said before in the videos for the Real Deal Traders package, you'll find them under the Tech 1 trade folder. I'm going to go to the 30-minute chart and you'll see what I mean. This is the euro dollar and this is the 30-minute chart. And here we find that area of resistance in here. We've got a Tech 1 candle pattern on the 30-minute here. We've got a second Tech 1 candle pattern here. So these are bearish Tech 1 candle patterns. And again, if you're a little unsure about the Tech 1 candle patterns, you can see that on page 2 of the Tech 1 trading manual or the pips in the pocket, the T2 method. It describes both Tech 1 candle patterns that I was trying to identify here in order to call this short opportunity. Now the entry was 132.98. So just as the psychological level here was being taken out, there was a small retracement in here. I waited a little bit and then sent out that signal. The first target was 32.50. I'll put some arrows in here so that we can get an idea of what we're looking at. 32.50 was right where that red line is here. So there was about 45 pips to the first target. I called the second target just of 20. And as you see here, price went only as low as 27. Actually, the next candle went as low as 26. So we came pretty close. And again, you always want to have a little personal responsibility into these trades. You want to remember that it's always a good idea to take some profits a few pips ahead. There's nothing wrong with that, especially getting in at about 3300 or 98 and taking it all the way down to about 27, even 30 isn't a bad trade. So we don't know exactly when price is going to stop and bounce. Every time it's going to be a little bit different. It's still possible that this trade could just find some resistance at this point and move on back down towards 3200. It's still possible. This trade isn't over with yet until perhaps this high here is taken out. And then overall, on the larger time frames, this appears to be just a small retracement. So this was a good trade. The first target net at least 45 pips. We can take these trades every single day on all currency pairs. We just got to wait for the right timing. I have those separate videos explaining how to get in on the timing for these trades, especially the Tech 1 candle pattern. Tech 1 candle pattern has a really small stop, just a little over 40 pips. And we made 45 pips to the first target, and then of course it went down to about 26. So you could have got the rest from 50 to 26 or 50 to 30, however you want to trade it. Thanks for watching.